The future of synthetic biology programming cells. Imagine a world where we can program cells like computers, telling them what to do and when to do it. Sounds like science fiction, right? Welcome to the fascinating world of synthetic biology, bioinformatics, and computational biology. Let's talk about controlling cellular functions with programming. In synthetic biology, scientists design genetic circuits within cells, similar to how software code controls a computer. By manipulating DNA sequences, we can control protein production, metabolism, and other cell functions. CRISPR technology is a game changer here, allowing for precise gene editing. Optogenetics is a technique where light controls cells, often neurons, by making them responsive to light stimulation. DNA computing involves molecular machines made from DNA that perform logical operations, potentially controlling cellular processes. Moving on, let's dive into biochips. A biochip is a miniaturized device performing numerous biological reactions. DNA microarrays, lab-on-a-chip, and cell-on-a-chip are some types. These chips are revolutionizing medical diagnostics by enabling fast, high-throughput disease diagnosis and personalized medicine. Not to mention their role in environmental monitoring, detecting pathogens or pollutants quickly. Next, meet Nano Robots. These nanoscale machines, inspired by biological systems, can perform tasks like drug delivery, tissue repair, or even eliminating cancer cells. Imagine a tiny robot delivering drugs directly to target cells, minimizing side effects. Or nanobots guided by magnetic or biochemical cues to precisely target tumors. They can also be engineered to detect and destroy harmful bacteria in the body. Now, let's talk about some cool advancements and applications. Artificial cells that mimic natural functions can be programmed for specific tasks. DNA-based data storage is another mind-blowing innovation, allowing us to encode and retrieve vast amounts of information in DNA. Organoids, miniature versions of organs grown from stem cells, are used for disease modeling and drug testing. And of course, CRISPR technology enables us to make precise genetic modifications, paving the way for genetic disease treatments. One of the most exciting areas is merging artificial and natural intelligence. Cellular neural networks, inspired by how neurons process information, are being simulated and controlled by AI algorithms. Biohybrid systems are another frontier, where biological systems, like neurons, interface with AI for controlling prosthetics or analyzing biological data in real time. Imagine AI-driven biochips implanted into neural tissues, enhancing human cognition or sensory processing. Or brain-computer interfaces, like Neuralink, allowing us to control computers or machines using our thoughts. Did you know? Cells already have decision-making processes controlled by molecular networks akin to computation. And Nano Robots have shown promise in clinical trials for targeted cancer therapies, improving precision and minimizing side effects. In conclusion, the integration of computer programming with cellular systems, combined with advances in AI and nanotechnology, is revolutionizing biotechnology. The potential to merge AI with natural cellular intelligence could lead to groundbreaking applications in medicine, environmental science, and synthetic biology. We're still in the early stages, but these innovations are pointing towards a future where biological systems are engineered and controlled with precision, just like computer software. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating insights into the world of science. Stay curious, science enthusiasts.